friends, good morning everyone. Today I am going to start a new course, MySQL. First of all, what we need to understand what is database design and what is SQL, because SQL works on database. In few days I will complete also Power BI series. Then what is database? Any organization cannot track its business activity efficiently by maintaining a large number of files. So databases are used for accessing and managing data efficiently. A software known as database management system is widely used in the industry to analyze data easily. And what is data warehouse? Think of yourself as a data analyst working for a company that has the following three departments. Which type of departments? If we have any organization which has three types of department: sales, finance and marketing, then let's assume that each department maintain a separate database. This could lead to a situation where each department has its own version of the facts. So for the question, what is the total revenue of the last quarter? Every department might have a different answer. This is because every department draw information from a different database. This is where a data warehouse can prove to be useful. It can help with creating a single version of the truth and the facts. A data warehouse would thus be the central repository of the data for entire enterprise. Data of millions rows, millions users, where data warehouse and business intelligence are really important. So there is a important technique, OLAP, online analytical processing system, which is used to extract business relevant information and perform analysis on data stored in data warehouse. There are two important technologies which play important role in the implementation of online analytical processing, which are data warehouse in the backend and business intelligence in the front end. So first we are considering what is data warehouse. We already defined what is data warehouse. Data warehouse is a lot of engaging work discussion what is data warehouse and how it is really different from regular database. For example, daily to daily applications of the data warehouse, booking tickets, placing order on the stock market and so on. Similarly, for bank data, any bank has hundred of application of hundred of types, but every bank has different kind of application and every application touches customer in different way. But where the data is stored is the data warehouse. Data warehouse is a technique where you can organize data from different sources. So data warehouse is the central repository of data from various sources. If you are in an interview and question asked by an interviewer what is data warehouse, what you will give, what how you define and what you will give the definition of data warehouse. So a data warehouse is a subject oriented integrated repository, non-volatile and time variant collection of data in support of management decisions. A data warehouse is I'm repeating, a data warehouse is a subject oriented integrated repository, non-volatile and time-variant collection of the data in support of management system. If you go to the NESCOM, is a website, NESCOM website, where all the new all the person who has new projects or who have new idea apply there online for funding. But if you go into the detail, every application has its own data. So what NESCOM had did, NESCOM had put it in a single a data warehouse where we can see all the new projects, or there may be a different type of projects may be put it at different place. So for example, for communication we can have a different database, for engineering we can have a different database, for rocket science new products we can have a different database. So data warehouse is a technique where we can access all the data simultaneously from a single place. So what is the beauty of the data warehouse? If we ask for any enterprise for the data for particular thing, that will not be variable. What are the properties of data warehouse? It should be subject oriented. First one, a data warehouse should contain information about a few well defined subjects rather than the enterprise. As I already told you, subject oriented means if we want to know the revenue of every month or every last 10 years, then we don't need to rush here and there. There should be a complete data warehouse where we can access the revenue or sale or profit of any enterprise from a single place. It should be integrated. A data warehouse is an integrated repository. It contains information from various systems within an organization. Data warehouse can have sources from different places, but it is an integrated data where we can access all the data from one place. Non-volatile. What is non-volatile? The data values in a database cannot be changed without a valid reason. Yes. The data values in the database cannot be changed without a valid reason. Cannot change existing data without legitimate reason. That bring contradiction with the time variant analysis. What is non-volatility? Prevents exist data to be changed without any legitimate reason. For example, if you have funding for your project from somewhere in 2006 first quarter, you cannot change that funding. But if someone from other place raise the funding in second quarter, then you can add. That is the property time variant. A data warehouse contains historical data for analysis. It means you can add on data, but you cannot change the existing data for non-volatile property without any valid reason. So newer data can be added to historical data, but you cannot change existing data without any particular reason. I hope you understood what is data warehouse and what is OLAP stands for and what is the importance of the database. From here, we will start our next video. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.